If you want to cancel your Namecheap hosting, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to cancel a hosting plan in Namecheap, and I'll also show you the important first step you should not skip before canceling. This is useful if you no longer need the hosting, you're moving your website somewhere else, or you simply want to stop the renewal from being charged again. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you, and subscribe for more easy tech walkthroughs just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the hosting list option. This is where all of your active hosting services are displayed in one place. Click on Hosting List and you should see the hosting plan you want to cancel. Take a moment here to make sure you select the correct plan, especially if you have more than one service on your account. Next, before canceling anything, disable Auto-Renewal first. This is really important because it helps prevent the service from renewing again in the future. To do that, find the renewal settings for the hosting plan and turn off Auto-Renewal. Once that's done, look for the drop-down menu next to Go to CPanel. Click that drop-down arrow to reveal more options. From there, click Manage. This will open the management page for that specific hosting plan. On the management page, look for the Cancel Service option. Click Cancel Service to begin the cancellation process. Namecheap may ask you to confirm your choice, so read the message carefully before proceeding. If everything looks correct, confirm the cancellation and complete the process. After that, your hosting service will be scheduled for cancellation or removed depending on the account settings and billing cycle. It's always a good idea to double check your account afterward to make sure auto-renewal is off and the service is no longer set to continue. And that's it. You've now learned how to cancel your Namecheap hosting step by step. If this video saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.